Which of the following mountain range is called Sahyadri Mountain? The Western Ghat. The Western Ghat is also known as Sahyadri Mountain. The Western Ghat is 1600 km long mountain range that run from the Gujarat to Kanyakumari of the South India. It comprises the mountain range of the Nilgiri, Annamalai and Cardamom. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the 8 hottest hotspot of the biological diversity in the world. Kalibela dance is the belong to which state of India? Rajasthan. Kabila is the dance from the Rajasthan. It performed by the Kabiliya tribes. The dance movement and costume of the community resemble to snake. The famous Keshav Anand Bharti. The famous Keshav Anand Bharti case is related to basic structure. The Keshav Anand Bharti case 1973 gave the important concept of the basic structure. It held that the parliament is entitled to amend any fundamental right, but it should not be violate the principle of basic structure of constitution. The criteria and definition of basic structure is not defined and it expanding with the time and SC verdict. वैन डिड यूएसए गेन इंडिपेंडेंट? तो यूएसए कब इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ था? तो 4 जुलाई 1777 को, 4 जुलाई 1776 को. थॉम जेफरसन इज़ कंसिडर्ड प्राइमरी ऑथर ऑफ द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ द इंडिपेंडेंस. द डिक्लेरेशन समराइज द colonist motivation of seeking independence. George Washington was the first president United States of the 1789 to 1797. Which of the following book was not written in a B.R. Ambedkar? An Indian Telegram. An Indian Telegram is written by the S.C. Bose. B.H. Ambedkar was the polo goat, highly intellectual, rational, and one of the most educated leader of the Indian national struggle. List of the some books. What caused the green color in firework? What caused the green color in firework? Barium chloride. The color of firework are created the use of metal salt. The color in firework are created by the cause of use of metal salt. Barium chloride green color. Barium chloride green color. Sodium nitrate yellow color. Calcium chloride orange color. Strontium carbonate red color. Copper chloride blue color. When did Muhammad bin Qasim invaded 1712 AD? Muhammad bin Qasim first invaded Singh state in 1712 AD. The defected Dhars king of the Sindh, but due to the many reasons, the could not establish his empire in India. The Mangera was initiated with the object of enhancing livelihood security in rural area of the providing at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in financial year. Which of the following country has become the 23rd member of the Indian Ocean Rim Association? Indian Ocean Rim Association, France. Zinc sulfate is known as white. Zinc sulfate को क्या कहते हैं? White vitriol. Zinc sulfate. वाइट विट्रॉल जिंक सल्फेट. वाइट विट्रॉल क्या है? जिंक सल्फेट. ब्लू क्या है? कॉपर. ब्लू क्या है? ब्लू कॉपर. ब्लू विट्रॉल क्या है? कॉपर. ब्लू कॉपर. ग्रीन फ्यूरस है. ग्रीन फ्यूरस है. रेड कोबाल्ट है. रेड कोबाल्ट है. Which article of the Indian Constitution empower the Parliament to legislate on a subject of the state list? Article 249. Money bill has been defined as Article 110. Money bill has defined as Article 110. Devaluation of the currency lead to expansion of export trend, construction of import trend, expansion of important substitute, all of the above. A book is kept on the surface of a table. If the gravitational pull of the earth on the book is force on action, then the force reaction exert the table on the book. Evening star is not as hot as a midday sun. What is the reason? In the evening, a radiation travel large distance through the atmosphere. In the evening, the radiation of the sun travel large distance through the atmospheric. That is why evening sun is not hot of the midday. In which one of the following situation are the chemical reaction does not occur? Common salt in exposed to air. Common salt is exposed to air. The source of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Source of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Lichen is a composite decombination of two organisms, algae and fungi. The device to measure the rate of steam growth is axonometer. The device to measure the rate of steam growth is axonometer. Cloves used to spice are derived from which of the following plant part? Flower bud.